What's up, guys? An Everyday Canadian, and today we are making homemade bath bombs. I got Selena here and Paige here to help me. They're going to be making their own colors. We got all the proper measurements. I don't know what measurements these make out to be, if they make a lot or a little, so we'll find out. So yeah, we got everything from Epsom salt to baking soda to olive oil, some beads for inside the bath bombs. We got food coloring to change the color of it, some scented stuff to make it smell nice, and the citric acid to whatever, yeah. And then the eggs for the molds. So we're going to open all this up, and then we'll start putting everything in the bowls, and we'll start making them. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so first we're going to do 1 cup of baking soda. Just practically a whole box. There's 1 cup. And then we're portioning this out for 3.
I think it'll be enough.
It's going up my nose. There's 1 cup for you. I need the other box. Oh! Is that going in your mouth?
It's going in my nose.
It tastes so bad. Okay, and now Selena's.
No, oh,
Madison, don't worry. You'll get to do yours in a minute, okay?
I need one back.
Okay, hold on. Just wait, okay? Okay, there's yours. Okay, so we got that done. Now, citric acid, we need 1/2 cup of citric acid. Okay. Half a cup. Half a cup. Half a cup. That's done, and now we need okay, so now we need the water. I need water. Billy, can you just pass that water bottle right there? Yeah. Okay, so now we need 1 tablespoon of water, which would be this one. One tablespoon of water. 1 tablespoon of water.
That's so cool.
1 tablespoon of water. And then we need 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2, 3.
It's on purpose.
1, 2. And honestly, guys, this probably roughly costed me about $25 for everything in total. So you guys can definitely try this at home. It's fun for the kids. You can put stuff inside them for Easter, or you can do Halloween ones and put some really cool stuff inside. And then essential oil, I need 2.
What essential oil are you using?
I'm using orange sweet oil. You got it?
That
So we
actually
need,
smells so good.
yeah,
It smells like fresh
2 of
oranges.
these. Shush! So 2 tablespoons of essential oils in both.
Oh, that smells good.
1. 2. And then after this, we're gonna add our food coloring. Billy, can you grab 2 forks, please, for the girls?
Wow, that's really strong.
Yeah, it smells really nice. Okay, so I think we got mostly everything. I'm going to just check the list one more time. What about food coloring? Okay, so now take your food coloring, girls. You got your food coloring. Now, It's up to you guys. If you guys want it dark, dark blue, dark, just squirt as much as you want. Just don't use the whole thing, that's a little carried away. Just do your thing. Go for it. Squirt as much as you want. I'm doing green, Selena's doing blue, and Paige is doing red. And again, we're gonna be putting some of these inside, so when the kids have their bath tonight, they're gonna find some jewels inside their egg bomb. So now you take your fork and you're just gonna mix it all together. Okay. Just keep mixing it. You're gonna need to use your hands eventually, but try to mix all the color in with the white powder stuff.
Our bowl is so small.
Oh, it smells so nice. Do you guys think this smells nice?
Yeah, I do. It smells like orange.
Alright guys, so I'm stupid. I totally forgot the Epsom salt, so you do need a half a cup of Epsom salt inside this. We will leave the measurements in the description below, so make sure you check that out if you want to know what we use today. So right now, everything is mixed. It's actually compacted perfectly. How about you guys? Did you guys get it good?
Yeah.
And it smells amazing. So what we're going to do is I'm making these for my nieces and nephews. So you're going to take half your egg. You got half your egg?
Yes.
Okay, take it. Got yours. Put a little bit in the bottom. Just a little. Pack it in good. Good. Okay, take a jewel you want. I'm going to take a blue one. You want to stick that right in the middle of your bath bomb. Good. Okay, and then you want to take the rest and you just want to fill it in. Nice and tight. Make sure you guys compress it with your hand. Like, yeah, compress it like that, Selena.
Yep.
Harder, as hard as you guys can. Bath bombs are hard to break open, so you want a nice...
If it helps to break the seal too, it might work.
Okay, so I got half of mine done.
I have mine done.
Okay, so that's what it should look like on my part. Then you want to take your other half and you want to fill it up.
Just all the way?
Yep, just pack her in.
Compact it.
But you do want to save a little room to connect the egg.
Yeah, it should slide right in.
So mine's done. See how I saved a little room in the top?
I think I just need to get it.
You want to take them? No, don't compact it with your fingers. Like, take it, grab it, put a whole bunch in at once, and then take your palm of your hand and push down. See?
Tasha, mine's in.
Like that? Yours has a little blue in it. That's
That's cool.
Good job.
So you did yours? Okay, so there's mine. And then we're just going to push this together. My hands are very slippery. Oh. And there's mine inside the egg. And I can stand mine up. And then we can repeat with a whole bunch more.
Let's do a couple more and we'll show you the...
How many we got out of all this?
Yeah.
I want to try.
Yep. Alright guys, so we finally finished the bath bombs. Unfortunately, we have to let them set for a bit. But these are our 4 big Easter eggs. Then we got this one I made just by hand with different colors. Then we got the mini Easter egg. And then I just took the leftover bath bomb stuff and made 2 balls out of them. Plus the girls got to go home with, I believe, 8 eggs. So in total we got 4 big eggs, 2 balls, 8 little eggs, 1 tiny egg, and then 1 homemade egg. So we got quite a bit for... Definitely cheaper to make them at home than buy them in the stores, and they smell and look way better.
Yes, that is right.
And later on tonight, when we fill up the bathtub, we will drop 1 bath bomb in it to show you guys what it does. So we will catch you guys when it's a little darker outside and our bathtub is full. See you guys then. Alright guys, so this is one of the bath bombs. We don't know if it's ready yet. We're going to test it out. Kids are getting ready for their bath, so we're going to show them what we did. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Wow. It's amazing.
Smells like oranges.
And you know what? I realized this is bubbling way more, like fizzing way more than a regular bath bomb would.
Okay, get the garbage bag.
Oh, it's so cold in your hand.
Get the garbage bag.
You guys hear it? 1, 2, listen. Stay right there. Alright guys, so if you like this video of homemade bath bombs, be sure to check out our description for all the ingredients and measurements you'll need. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment, like, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.